Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Mary. I'm doing another bulk.com unboxing video. Just received this video yesterday. Sorry about the noise. Hold on. I haven't opened this yet. So this is a home improvement. Is it new? Yes, new items. So we'll see what this is like. There are 124 items in this box, and I spent $212 including shipping. So the first thing I notice is like a scent coming out of this box. Not quite sure what that is, so we shall see. Oh, this is adorable. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So these are just like little lights that you could probably use indoor or outdoor. Really pretty. This is what they look like. So there are, let's see how many. Oh, this is sweet. Okay, these are clear. That'd be really cute too. So those should do well. I'm just kind of puzzled what the smell is. It's kind of weird. It's very perfumey. I'm hoping that nothing broke inside of this box. Here's another clear filament string lights. So you can see how they would look. Okay, so two of those. Two of the little basket type lights. Three of the filament lights, clear. Four clear. So if I can't sell these on Amazon, these will definitely move on eBay, but I will definitely try to list those on Amazon, which they should sell quickly. Oh, this is what it is. Oh man, this is really smells. But they're dryer sheets, and they are sealed, so I don't know. Unless they were open at one point and they just put their sticker over here. But that is, I'm going to put these way over there because, oh man. Yeah, that's why I really don't use dryer sheets. The smell is just like so strong sometimes. Okay, so this is a color changing LED nightlight. Oh, it's really adorable. So that'll sell well. This is super creepy. It's a catnip creeper. Shocked that that's the name of it, right? I'm not really into cats, but whatever. This thing is cute. It's a little witch. Oh my gosh, look at that. So funny. So that's a little cat toy. So I think with these home improvement boxes, you end up with just a menagerie of things for around the home. Love this 3x5 flag. Oh, cool. Okay, so this is dishwasher pods, Powerball. There's 3 bags, 20 tabs each. That should sell. I may just put those in a lot and put those on eBay, or I will see if I can put those on Amazon. So these Puppy Love Cuddle Buddies, I don't know if these are like little dog toys, but yeah, dog stuff always sells. People love their pups. So I got a bunch of those. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. 9, 10, 11. Okay, there's more. You do get a sheet, a manifest sheet. I just didn't pull it up before this video, but you know before you bid exactly what you're going to be getting. So I did know that there was going to be definitely things I could use, but surely things that you can flip, because people are looking for this. I mean, look at this flashlight. This is a set of 2 LED. So yeah, batteries are included. quite sure why they're not working, but maybe you have to turn it on. And there's a couple more of these puppy toys, which are really super cute. So that's just going to be something that I can list, you know, as like 13 available, and then they'll just keep selling. So these are little Kleenex boxes, really super cute, decorative. Put into an apartment or something like that. Doesn't take up a lot of room. I've actually never seen these on the shelves, so they're really very decorative and cool. So there's 3 of those. These are, I don't know, little lavender somethings. I don't know. It's like a notepad or whatever. The command strips. Everybody always needs those. This is just one more. These are counter napkins. So cute. Party napkins. So I've got a few of those. Let's see. We've got some more command strips. Damage-free hanging. You can put those up as like quantity of 5 or however many we have in here. Here's some more. Yeah, I mean, overall, my first impression is this is a great box. So again, when you're ordering new, you might pay a little bit more, but you're definitely going to make your money back quickly because these are all things that people will order and use. Humidifier cleaning. Oh man, this is really good. Keeps your humidifier clean. This is another Kleenex box. Decorative. I mean, look at this. This is really great stuff. Let me see. Boots and Barkley LED color light. A pet item. This is awesome. I love this stuff. Mrs. Meyer's hand soap. I have plenty of this, and this actually is Iowa Pine, which is a really pretty scent. Smells good. Let's see, little Post-its. I love Post-its, so I will definitely, if I don't sell these, I can always keep those. Oh, these are the bigger ones, which are really handy and great to use. This is another filter, cinnamon apple crisp cinnamon apple air freshener. This is another pet toy, I think. Sweet. I got 3 of those. Those over here with the pet toys. These are Smart Cat toys.
Hey, Mary?
Yeah.
Pull all of your paper shredders out. I sold 5 yesterday. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm exhausted. Oh, who are you on the phone with?
Okay.
Oh, I have a question. Can you ask me more? Will FedEx ship out today?
Okay, so
I've got mine.
these are some tools, which are incredible. These will do well. Oh my gosh, I know that these are going to be great. Disposable gloves. All over the news, how Clorox is like one of the things that helps kill this virus. So Clorox disposable gloves, this is going to be really great. So we keep these for the family, and we'll bundle these at a really reasonable price. But these are really super to have, especially if you're just going shopping. You can use these, or again, they will definitely sell quickly. Let's see. I think there were probably, 8 of these packages, so that's good. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's a brass burn kit. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Yeah, so all of these little kits in here, they're all so sweet. And now that everybody's home doing little crafty things, this will get you ready for spring. Forest friends, aren't they cute? Yeah, really cute. Got all little faces on them. Indoor greenery. There's one of these. But again, when I list these, I can put the quantity of 10 or whatever by the design. Easy to ship out. Tape. Yeah, that'll be good. There's some more Rose Friends. Sorry if this is so bumpy. There's a few more things in here. Some light bulbs, which I'm absolutely shocked that these are not broken. You would think with all this stuff that they would definitely break, but this is in good shape. Curtain rod. More light bulbs. Again, not broken. That's awesome. More cat toys and the humidifier things. What is this? Goldfish food? I just think that's kind of funny. So random. Everybody needs goldfish food. And maybe you don't want to go to the store to get it. You could just order them on eBay, right? Okay, appliance bulbs. Sweet. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's a dog leash. I love these dog leashes. They work so well. Small dogs. They're the retractable kind. Let's see. Other disposable glove. Cat. That's another 3M. Cat toy. What's this? Oh, Method hand washing soap. Again, I like the way that bulk.com zip blocks all of these things. It's really helpful. Just in case there was anything to spill. Really nice. And nothing is leaking out in the bag. So with a Ziploc, you can guarantee that you're not going to have problems with your other merchandise getting all goopy. Sweet. Really nice. Sounds like it's intact. More Forest Friends. Love that. Dog toys. Oh, this is for furniture. Magic sliders. This will do well. So it's like there's a lot of smalls here, but it's all saleable stuff. So I think the listings are going to be easy to do, and multiple quantities, easy sale. So all in all, this has really been a great box. So that's my review on this. I would definitely buy from them again. I've bought many boxes from them. Some good, some not so good. Overall, I've never bought a home box before, and I'm really happy with it. So I hope this helps. You'll see down here, these are the orders that I have going out today. Just some smalls, actually, except for this Lego Zeppelin, which sold for $49. So I was happy about that. So yeah, message me if you have any questions, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.